Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best Charles Schwab features for retirement account and IRAs. And here's the breakdown. If you're saving for retirement, Charles Schwab has some simple, powerful features that makes IRA easy to manage and grow. First, no minimum balance means you can open a traditional or both IRA without waiting to save a big deposit. Perfect for beginners, Schwab also offer commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, so your retirement money isn't eaten up by fee over time. Schwab target date fund automatically adjusts your mix of stocks and bond as you near your retirement, so you don't have to guess the right balance yourself. Built-in tools and retirement planner help you estimate how much you need and keep track of progress. Plus, you can link multiple accounts like 401k, 401k, Roth IRA, and others in one dashboard for a clean big picture view. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple retirement tips, and comment which Schwab features you would like to use first for your retirement. And that's it.